No one can do it like the cast iron can. Today's recipes crown the skillet as the summer dinner hero. So to honor the cast iron appropriately, recipe creator Sarah Alvord has 3 recipes that let the skillet shine. It's great to see you. So good to have you in studio.
Thank you. It's so good to be here.
You're a big fan of the skillet.
I do love the skillet and I do love the cast iron because honestly, it's so versatile. Like I can cook something on the stove and transfer it right to the oven.
Yeah.
I don't have to worry about like a handle melting or it just goes where I need it. I'm not gonna freak out if somebody comes at it with a fork or a metal spatula. It's not gonna scratch.
Yeah.
And honestly, I could pass this on to my great-grandchildren
Yeah.
and it would still be this great.
It's a great investment. We often talk
Yeah.
about the easy cleanup, blah, 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 but there's an efficiency to it as well,
Oh,
like
yeah.
just putting it all in one dish.
Yes, and I do love that. And honestly, it's perfect for summer. Everything goes in one pan. It cooks really quick. And I have tons of recipes that are 30 minutes or less.
Oh, I love that.
So
you brought a few of your favorites today.
Yep.
3 summer skillet dinners. First up, a burrito bowl.
Yes.
This looks amazing.
It is so good and it's really so easy. This is just like one of those dump, let it cook.
Okay.
So it's got rice, black beans, corn.
So do you do the rice
rotel
first?
Nope, everything goes in together. Honestly.
Rice, what's your liquid?
So I've got rice, 2 cans of rotel tomatoes,
Okay.
and then I've got a little bit of chicken broth in there.
Broth, okay.
Yes, and then you just cover it, let it cook.
Let it go.
Yeah, and honestly, it just cooks up.
What
does
are we
its
doing?
thing.
Why am I making rice in a separate pot?
You always feel like you need to. I think rice is kind of intimidating.
Yeah.
And honestly, I'll be the first to admit, I am not a rice master. My kids will laugh at me because I'm like, Mom, did you make crunchy rice tonight, or did you do the rice right?
But it sounds like with this, you don't have to be a rice
you don't have
master.
to babysit it. It works so easy, and then all you do, put it in a bowl, load it with your favorite taco toppings.
Look at you.
And there you go.
So-
you can even like fill tortillas with this and just make burritos.
What's the cook time on this?
15 to 20 minutes.
Really?
Yeah.
It all comes together, heats
It all
through.
comes together. It's got chicken in there. So I cook the chicken and some onions, add in everything else. Just dump it all in there.
Put it all in.
Yeah. And then put a lid on it, let
Cover.
it cook 15 to 20 minutes, and then you're ready to go.
Amazing.
It's super easy.
What's this one?
Okay, stir fry is my go-to because I love a good stir fry sauce. The vegetables, you can use whatever you like,
Yeah.
honestly.
It's the best way to eat veggies.
It is the best way.
So you put it over crunchy
So
rice.
I love it over.
I'm just kidding.
That's where you use a rice cooker.
Okay, fine.
So yeah, I love it over rice. I mean, honestly, it's summertime. There's so much delicious produce right now.
Yeah.
You can use asparagus. I have broccoli and mushrooms, some red peppers, and then just top it off with a little bit of sesame seeds.
Oh, for that
if
official
you're fancy.
crunch. Yes.
And then you can do some green onions.
So whatever
And that's
veggies you have, chicken, what
Yes.
sauce did you use?
So I have a stir fry sauce on my website.
Yum.
It's so good.
I will be getting
and really
that.
so easy, just a few ingredients.
Okay.
It's perfect.
Delicious.
Yes.
What is snap crackle, and popping
we've got
over here?
some sausage and onions cooking over here.
Now
We're
you
gonna
told
make.
my producer you have a preference on sausage.
So, you know, when you go to the store, they have like sausage encasing that's like a hot dog.
Blah, yeah.
Or you can just buy like a pound of sausage.
Yeah.
Go for the pound of sausage.
Better flavor.
I mean, you can buy this stuff in casing, but you're just gonna have to cut it out.
Yeah.
And then, you know, some people are like, ew.
Itty bitty. Yeah.
I don't like that on my
There's some
hands.
preferences.
Yes, so this is a creamy gnocchi. So I've got some sausage and onions browning.
Okay.
I'm gonna add in some garlic.
What is that? What?
This is how I mince my garlic.
What
because
is that?
Then you don't get your hands all garlicky.
I've never seen that in my whole
Are you
life.
kidding me?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Did I miss a Pampered Chef meeting? What happened? Where do I get that?
Seriously, go
That is
Go
amazing.
anywhere and pick yourself up
Does
one of these
everyone know?
garlic
Does everyone
presses.
know about this? Everyone knows about this?
Okay, I see head shaking, yes.
What is
Yes.
my problem?
Hop on board.
I'm a
it's
lifestyle
so
professional,
easy.
and today was the day.
Well,
okay.
I mean,
fine.
because like otherwise you're like chopping, or you
I'm
can buy the
chopping.
jarred
No, I'm
garlic,
chopping.
but
What
it's
is my
different.
problem? Okay, fine.
Because then you're not going to smell like garlic all night, you know?
Beautiful. Thank you.
Okay, so we've got this cooking, and then we're going to add in our liquids.
Okay.
So I've got 2 cans of Italian diced tomatoes. Now I use the Italian style because it already has the seasoning in there.
Oh, smart.
So that's just a step,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah.
You can skip there. Then we're gonna add in our cream.
Oh, here
I've got
comes the good
heavy
stuff.
cream, yes.
Go, go, go.
Yes, yes, yes. And then a little bit of water, just a little extra liquid to help cook.
You are
that
making this real
gnocchi.
time right in front of our eyes.
I know. I'm
This
hoping.
is how fast
come on,
it is.
Come on.
TV time never translates to real time unless you're cooking in a skillet.
I know, and then you're like, hurry up, heat up, baby.
Go, go, go.
Okay, so this will just come to a simmer.
Yeah.
And then we'll add in our gnocchi.
And you just got the refrigerated?
Yeah. Well, it's not even refrigerated, just in the pasta section.
Pasta.
It's just
okay.
like dried.
Got it.
Yeah. Dump it in.
That'll cook
Mix
up.
it in. It cooks up. The sauce thickens. This gnocchi gets soft and delicious.
Yum.
Have you ever had that? Have you ever had it? I
Well,
love it.
It's always a restaurant order, but I
It
very rarely
is.
make it at home. Why not?
It's so easy.
Yeah.
I'm a little bit obsessed with this little, mashed potato pasta.
You'll wilt the spinach once it's
Yep,
cooked.
yep.
Add some cheese and then
Let's
just some
just
toppings.
add it all in, yeah.
Let's go. Let's
So
go.
we can just add the
Sarah,
spinach
this
in.
all looks amazing.
Listen, I don't want to hear any complaining about spinach either because it's in there. You're not going to taste it.
You'll never know. Can you come give that pep talk to my 6-year-old, please? Please.
I know. Yep. Then we're going to top it with some cheese, a little bit of fresh basil.
Oh, it looks amazing.
And
Thank
that
you
is
so
it.
much.
It's so
All right,
easy.
the skillet being one of your favorite tools. Now you've shown us why. You've got a bunch of other recipes waiting for us on your website.
I have a lot of recipes. I'm at feedingyourfam.com.
Okay.
Or Instagram at feedingyourfam.
You're gonna have to pin that stir fry sauce.
Oh,
and
I
make sure
absolutely will. It
Can't
is-
wait.
Yeah.
All right. Feed
Thank
your
you.
fam. Feed
Yes,
your fam.
Feeding Your Fam.
Feeding your fam. We'll link you over from our website so you can have an easy connection point. Sarah, thank you so much. 3 skillet recipes to make summer dinner a breeze. And I have to tell you, not to rub it in, but they all smell delicious too. So get excited about what is about to hit your family table. Thanks to our friend Sarah.